Hello, it's the Raindrop Show. And so I'll just put it over here. And so we are making a rainbow salad. And so we need all the colors of the rainbow.
Exactly.
And so it's red, orange, and yellow, green, and blue, indigo, and violet too. So that's how and now I'm just going to rinse them off. To take one at a time. Here's the right here. Picture them balls. Now I hold it.
Put it
Cover.
Put it in here.
Now we pour some of
In here, sweetheart. Look, put it in here. This is gonna strain it. You can pour it all out.
And now we take this out. And now
Then we can put it over here to dry. Oops.
do
Do the next.
Then we do strawberries. That's mine.
Why do we have to rinse them out, Rain?
Because they have to be nice and clean, and they will get dirty, and they will be not healthy, and they will not grow. So here, like the grapes. Now we put that there. And now we do the blueberries. So.
Just spill it all out. There you go. See, it rinses much faster.
And now I put this over here. And I do the same on the grapes and strawberries. Now
What?
we do this.
Oh, that's the last one. Okay, no, we don't rinse off bananas. Okay, ready? And I will just bring this back over here to this counter. Because the other ones have covers. They have peels. Because cuties, they have peels. And it protects them. The grapes, they don't have that type of a cover. So we have to rinse them off. Okay. And what are you going to do next, Rain?
Next, I'm going to pick the apple. Now we put this to the side. Now we put the banana. Why? Now we put it here.
This was I put the towel here so they can dry everything because it was wet.
And put the bananas in here. Or we could just dump it all out.
Exactly.
And I put this one to the side. Now we do the cutie. And now it's done.
Well, let's mix them all up. We can put everything in here.
And now,
We're gonna eat it from.
now I can put all in here. Sorry, it's a mess right now. I'm just making a mess.
Ooh, it looks so good.
Uh-huh. That's why I'm making this rainbow salad. Oops. Oops. I'm sorry. I just put a little bit more. Just going to make sure. Now we get to eat the rainbow salad. Put the more. my assistant gets to taste it. Fiddle Skitter. And the Hopper Rubber, my other sister.
Yay! Let's dig in. How does it taste?
My mommy do that recording.
Thank you. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Make sure you put the thumbs up down because this is going to be really good. If you want some help with your parents, or if you want to make it by yourself, you could make it by yourself. If you could make it, if you want your parents to help, you can they can help you. Bye. Bye. See you next time. When your mom helps you, it is really good when your mom helps you. So you give them a touch when dad helps you.
Good job. That's right.
And when your dad helps you, you make sure to give your head and a tissue. When your grandma helps you, you say thank you. When you are dears and you are dumpas and you are mommies and you are daddies, we love that. And that's
Okay, say bye-bye.
and that's how we made it. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. The thumbs up.